Okay, you remember finding slopes from first principles and then using those slopes to construct tangent lines? Let's see if we can do it the new way. We got a parabola here and its formula is y equals 7x squared. That would mean its derivative, meaning its slope, dy dx, is 2 times 7 is 14, x to the 1. So the slope of a parabola is just 14 times what's your x-coordinate. Well, they're asking about when the x-coordinate is 2, so we can get a slope there easy enough. We just put 2 into this. The slope at x equals 2 is 14 times 2 is 28. The y-coordinate is 28. The slope is also 28. That is a coincidence. Do not expect that to happen all the time. But this means if you go 2 units to the right and 28 units up, you will find yourself on this big, tall, skinny parabola at a point where the slope is 28 units. So, if we're drawing a tangent line there, a fairly steep tangent line, the slope of that line is 28, and so if you have a line with a slope of 28, your equation for that is going to look like y equals 28x plus something, we'll call it b. We can get that b because we know our x-coordinate and also our y-coordinate. Plug those in, and then we can solve for b. We get y equals 28x plus b. 28 equals 56 plus b. Subtract 56 from each side, minus 28 equals b. Okay, so our finished line is going to be y equals 28x minus 28. Can we do it again? Yeah, probably. Let's see, this one, the way it's written with this fraction is not as helpful as I would like. I'm going to rewrite this f of x equals x minus 4 x to the minus 1. I want these in power form because then the power rule can work. So, our derivative, our slope, df dx, is 1x to the 0. And then minus 1 times minus 4 is plus 4x to the minus 2. That's our derivative, and we want to know what that's up to when x is 2. So if we put 2 into this, by coincidence both questions are asking about x equals 2, the slope at x equals 2 is 1 plus 4 over 2 squared, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So our tangent line has a slope of 2, and its formula will look like this. 2x plus, don't know yet. How do we find b? Put in your coordinates. We have an x-coordinate, we have a y-coordinate. If we sub those in, we can get b cornered. So we get y equals 2x plus b. 0 equals 4 plus b. b equals minus 4. Okay, so our finished line is y equals 2x. We knew that part already. And then plus our b value turns out to be negative 4. So, same drill as before as far as setting up the tangent line, but getting the slope is way easier because we now have a slicker way of finding derivatives.